it actually drives me fucking bananas. And it drives me bananas because it teaches the wrong lesson. So, how can we claim that we work every day, and yet we can't even define the word? So how do you define work? The science definition is work equals force times distance. Problem with that is it's not very useful for knowledge workers. Most of us are not actually doing manual labor, not useful. The second way is that you can think about it in terms of inputs of time, right? Like, is that how hard you work? No one can outwork me. I work longer hours. Do you think you're the only person who works 16, 18 hours every day? Like, go to China. I don't even know if anyone in America can say it. I'm being dead serious. So that's why when I see these things, it just drives me fucking nuts. So the problem with that is that many people work all the hours they're awake. And if you suggest working more hours, then you're sleeping less, and I don't think that's a good idea for knowledge workers. So why can no one outwork you again? Right, so everyone's working those hours. We have to get clear on it, because if that's what we have to do to make money, then we gotta know what we're actually trying to fucking do. So here's Alex's definition. Work equals outputs. Fancy image. Outputs equal volume times leverage. In plain speak, number of times you do something times how much you get out of each time you do it. How do we work faster?